am Sabina CPA. I advocate less taxes and more profits. Today, I'd like to talk about how to avoid being a bullseye for ID theft. In past years, identity thieves dive into dumpsters, grab purses, and open mailboxes to steal a person's identity. Now, thieves tend to be more tech-savvy. They rely on phone calls and emails to gather personal information from the unwary. Are you prepared to defend yourself in this current theft environment? What thieves are after and why? Identity theft attacks more often focus on user profile, social security number, and self-reported income. Once that is obtained, personal information can be used for purchases on credit card, to drain bank accounts, to file fraudulent tax return, or allow thieves to get unauthorized medical treatment. Some of the most common red flags that your personal information has been compromised include unexplained bank account withdrawal, credit card charges you don't remember making, calls from debt collectors about unfamiliar loans, bills from healthcare providers for services you didn't use, notices that your tax return has already been filed. Example of identity theft scheme: the fake banker. Someone calls claiming to represent your bank. You are told the bank needs to update contact information, including your social security number, date of birth, and mother's maiden name. The second example could be IRS agent. Really? An alleged IRS agent calls claiming your tax return was filed incorrectly. The call ID even says IRS. The IRS agent tells you they need your personal information to fix the tax return. The next example is, congratulations, you won. A sales representative informed you of prize winning, an all-expense paid vacation, a new car, or a hefty check. You simply need to tell them your credit card information to cover the sales tax. Those are some of the examples and 5 steps to dodge the ID theft bullseye. So what can you do to protect yourself? Being proactive is the best way to limit your risk. Protect yourself by following this guideline. First one is leave personal information at home. Don't carry social security card or birth certificate in your purse or wallet unless necessary for a specific transaction, like applying for a passport. Secondly, shred sensitive material and go paperless. Use a shredding machine for bank statements, loan application, insurance forms, and pre-approved credit letters. Only use website you trust for banking and bill paying transactions. Thirdly, check credit reports and bank statement regularly. Look for unexplained withdrawal and strange charges. If concerned, place a fraud alert on your credit file with one of the 3 national credit reporting agencies: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. One company is required to alert the other agency, so one phone call should do it. When businesses see a fraud alert on your report, they are required to verify your identity before issuing credit in your name. You might also initiate a credit freeze to prevent crooks from opening new accounts with your identity. Fourth, use and update internet security tools. If you access the internet from a personal computer, tablet, or phone, make sure your antivirus and security applications are up to date. Limit the amount of personal information on the internet as much as possible. While it's a hassle, also consider adding dual authentication for access to any online accounts. Lastly, when in doubt, hang up. Never give out personal information in response to unsolicited email or phone call, period. If you think you've been a victim of identity theft, don't respond to suspicious email. Forward them to your bank or credit card company, then delete them. You can also submit a theft complaint to the Federal Trade Commission at identitytheft.gov. If you find this video useful, please click on like, subscribe, and forward to those who may also benefit from this tutorial. Please also head to basecpaplus.com to sign up for our email newsletter full of tips for less taxes and more profits. Until next time, God bless.